And good day. Today we're having a look at this. It's Mr. Tuffy. It's supposed to stop flat tyres from glass, thorns and other road hazards. It says ride flat free. It is biodegradable and reusable. The world's most eco-friendly tyre liners. Well, I've never used these things before. I do tend to get out and about a bit, as you can see, and I thought pretty good idea to see if this thing works. I haven't had a flat tyre yet with the standard tyres, but I am swapping over to a little bit more knobby BMX tyres, and that's what this is for. It fits BMX tyres 20-inch between 1.95 and 2.5 wide, so that should work perfect. Well, in theory anyway. We'll find out soon enough. This is a closer look at the package itself. As you can see, not a lot on it. And to open it, just simply pops open like so. And these things pop out. There's a bit of writing on the bottom here too, so what have we got on it? Giving you some installation instructions. So we'll have a read of those and see how it goes. We'll fit it in a couple of seconds. Just that you put the tube in and position it and inflate it slightly so that when you put it back on your wheel, it's not going to cause issues. And there we are, we've got quite a bit of overlap on this, so now I can see why they're suggesting putting a tube in to do it. Okay, it's not an issue here, and we will continue. It's not very good doing it the way I was doing it then. Now I can see why the instructions say to slightly re-inflate the tube and insert it back onto the tyre, and the tube will hold the Mr. Tuffy liner in place, and then you reinstall the tyre and tube onto the rim and inflate to recommended pressure. I can understand that because it does move around a little bit inside the tyre as it is now. So let's get into it and hopefully finish it shortly. So I've got the tube and it's partially inflated. And just simply popping it in, and that should, with a bit of luck, hold the actual liner in place. Okay. Yeah, I can see I've got to move it around a bit. This is a brand new tyre, I haven't used it before, so what I'm doing is now aligning it correctly with this tread pattern. Yeah, that's lined. That's it. Okay, next thing to do is to fit her onto the bike, and then hopefully the next couple of 1,000 kilometres no flat tyres. Now I've got the tyre liner already inserted, so all we have to do now is obviously fit the tyre to the wheel. And here we go. That's that side. We go to the other side. Pop that over. Make certain you don't pinch the tyre when you're doing this. Be doubly careful. And there we go. One tyre liner fitted. So what I've got to do now is put a bit of air in it and see how many kilometres I get before I get a flat tyre. Now, hopefully you've enjoyed watching my video. Please consider thumbs up, thumbs down, either way doesn't matter. Leave a comment, I'd appreciate that as well. And hopefully I'll get to see you on the very next video, whatever it happens to be. All the very best till then. Bye for now.